Good morning. Sunday morning here in Pattenham. Well, this is Rajbag. I'm walking to Pattenham along the beach, trying to get a bit more exercise going. So join me. Down on the course. You smell good. And a lovely temperature right now. Just perfect actually. Wish it would stay like this all day. Fresh but warm-ish. And we've got some drums going on. I thought I heard them earlier from the house actually. I'm going to see if I can get close to them. That's the road in to the golf course there. The air looks decently clean today. Those mountain outlines are pretty good. Still you see people burning stuff but here and there, but it's nowhere near the scale of Chiang Mai we'll be getting to soon. Well, we got more stuff going on here. This has been erected. This is all for those celebrations that Eddie was talking about. Nice. So we're down on the nice firm sand. Kill. Oh, it's the first time I've done this walk, and I'll have to get out here a bit more often. It's nice. So this is Rajbag Beach, and then behind this bit of land here sticking out is Pattenham Beach, and I'm pretty sure you can get across somehow. Might involve a little bit of climbing. Let's see. The dogs are just chasing the birds. I didn't catch that bit, but there's a flock of birds that were just chasing them. Couldn't catch them. It's like a little lake here. Cool. Some beautiful rock formations. So we've taken the footwear off and we're proceeding, just like this guy in front. And welcome to Pattenham Beach. Morning. Morning. Oh. Coffee stop. Very peaceful here this time of day. Lots of crows around here in general. So on the fluoride subject, I'm going to try using less salt and obviously change the water. I'm going to go and see a lady about getting these big bottles of Bailey water. I'm going to order a couple of those, and yeah, we're definitely feeling a lot better from yesterday, from the last few days. I'm glad I realised what the fuck it was. Trying to get a little nibble on the crumbs, huh? Yeah.